Yo, what's up? What's happening, everybody? This your guy, King Tanna from King Tanna Cuts. And people, this is the first video on my King Tanna Cuts channel. Man, I don't have no subscribers right about now, but that's all right, people. To let you guys know, I got over 25 years of experience of being a master barber. So people, enough of me yapping. I'm about to make it happen. Today, I know I'm kind of late to the game, but better late than never. I just bought a pair of these Wahl Cordless Magic Clips. Yes, indeed. I've seen a lot of barbers on YouTube and in the game period use these clippers and rant and rave about them. And I know they got the seniors coming out that are cordless and everything, but hell, you know what I'm saying? Right about now, these are out or whatever. And I pre-ordered my seniors, but I'm finna unbox these right now and let you know exactly what I think. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So far, standard Wahl packaging and everything, pretty basic. Come on, white box. Oh, unboxing struggles a little bit. It's all right, though. It's all right. It's all right. I hope everybody's 2018 is starting off nice, you dig? But so far, there's the Cordless Magic Clips, you dig? Looking kind of beautiful and pristine. You know what I'm saying? Nice maroon color. Great job, Wahl, with the packaging and all that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me go ahead and pull this on out. And whatever. Boy, these clippers are really, really, really light. No doubt about it. Now let me take you for a quick tour. Move this box to the side. Got nice little grooves on the back right there to where your hand fit perfectly and everything. I got a normal size hand and everything. But these are really, really damn light. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Let me take off this guard right here. See if we got any juice. Phone ringing. That's all right. See if we got any juice on them. These got some juice. Kind of low. Of course, I'm going to charge them up. Got the surgical, you know what I'm saying, fade blade by Wahl on them and everything. So I'm going to be doing a lot of shaping with these right here. But this right here, this part of the clipper, little thumb groove, I feel that for the flick action because I do a lot of flicking and 90-degree positioning when I fade. So yeah. These right here, so far, are pretty damn dope. But let's go back to the box. I gotta show you what else is in here or whatever. Man, this is a fat ass charging brick right here. But I understand why, because it's gonna be charging the damn clippers, you know? And it's pretty damn cool. All right, set them to the side or whatever. Okay, cool, you got your bag of guards right here or whatever. I only got 2 guards with these. That sucks. Only 2 guards with these. Now, Wahl, I don't know what the hell's going on, but I thought these supposed to come with the whole damn set. It better be the guards that come in here, man. I'm glad I got Wahl guards anyway, but this sucks right here. And honestly, I don't even use this little gray guard. This one right here comes with this, what's that, a 1/16, and this 3/16 or whatever. Whatever, but I thought this was supposed to come with the whole selection of Wahl guards, but thank goodness I got them on deck already. But for 80 bucks, the price I paid for them or whatever, I expected. Oh, there they are. There they are. Shut me the hell up. That just shut me the fuck up. I'll tell you that much. All right, people, I'm back impressed again. I'm back impressed. So you got a bag full of, no, they're not the premium Wahl guards, but you got a bag full of guards with the clipper oil right here and a little brush right here I never use. Not at all. But okay, Wahl, thanks for the shock value. I thought you trolled me for a minute. You got me. You got me. And of course, you got the damn instructions with the cleaning instructions and the maintenance and all that right here. And the Wahl guarantee, warranty, and everything. So, all right, everybody. That just about does it for this quick unboxing, you know what I mean? And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do that if you like what you saw and like what you heard. No doubt about it. And I really appreciate a thumbs up. No question, no question. All right, everybody. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Be easy.